Good evening and welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DSCX remained flat today, inching up marginally by 9 points or 0.12% and settling at 7,081 points. Market turnover was 11.51 billion taka, which is a decrease of 20.62% compared to the last trading day. Green Delta Insurance and Reliance Insurance from the general insurance sector, Square Pharmaceuticals and the Acme Laboratories from the pharmaceutical sector, and Lanka Bangla Finance and IDLC Finance mainly dragged the market down today. On the other hand, Kathali Textile and Square Textile from the textile sector, Walton High-Tech Industries and Bangladesh Shipping Corporation from the industrial sector, and Linda Bangladesh and Saif Power Tech from the fuel and power sector pulled the market up today, keeping the market flat. In terms of sector-wise return, the textile sector posted the highest gain of 1.81%, while the life insurance sector registered the second highest gain of 0.88%. On the other hand, the general insurance sector posted the highest loss of 1.11%. 6 textile companies, 6 industrial companies, and 3 food and allied companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Alltex Industries, Tamiz Textiles and Union Insurance registered the highest gain, while Yakin Polymer, Daffodil Computers and Express Insurance were the top losers. Recent market debutant Union Insurance continued to extend its gaining streak despite a recent query from DSE regarding its continuous price hike without any price-sensitive information. Yakin Polymer is scheduled to have its board of directors meeting tomorrow, and as the company has incurred losses in Q1 of the current fiscal year, investors may have negative expectations regarding its Q2 earnings declaration. There was no price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Union Insurance, BD Thai Food and Tamijuddin Textile Mills increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. BD Thai Food increased in volume even though it responded to a recent query from DSE that there is no undisclosed price-sensitive information behind its recent price and volume hike. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news: Bangladesh's gross domestic product posted a growth of 6.94% in fiscal year 2021, as per data from Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics, up 1.51 percentage points compared to the provisional estimate, taking its size to USD 4.16 billion. This growth was driven by a rebound in domestic demand, and the industrial sector alongside stimulus packages mainly drove gross domestic product growth and helped it surpass projections made by international organizations. The growth in the country's gross domestic product helped per capita income growth by 1.45% and reach USD 2,591 compared to the previous year. Banks' higher interest to invest their excess funds in the risk-free financial instruments have dragged the yields of government securities down. The 5-year Bangladesh government treasury bonds interest rate cut-off yields fell from 6.47% to 5.75%. The government's decision to make net zero borrowing from the banking sector, coupled with high liquidity in the government account due to issuance of sukuk bonds and high revenue collection, resulted in higher demand for risk-free instruments. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.